plexusAV. We're over here at booth C10301 at InfoComm 2026. Wanted to kind of go over the visual array. This is our, it's a software-based product that is actually used to pick up all of the equipment that's on our network. So essentially, when you plug in any of our pieces of equipment into our network, you'll be able to automatically detect any of our IPMX streams. So anything that's, even if it's not plexusAV, it'll pick it up within the AVN network. What that allows us to do is provide a great visual representation of what's actually going on. If we head over to our device list on our, you'll be able to actually see all of the products that are inside of the IPMX network, easily identifying the IP addresses. You can also configure all of these devices. We can set up a IP scheme, so it'll automatically configure all of the devices to the IP scheme, whether it be a static IP or a DHCP stream. But again, it'll also put those down into sequential order. If you look at our link utilization, you can actually see live what our devices are utilizing. So if I come down here, I can actually see that it's using 79% of that PoE plus bandwidth. So again, come over and see us at booth C10301 at the Plexus booth here at InfoComm 2026.